Hello, my name is Ayden Keith, and this is my presentation for the Spring 2025 CEHC Showcase. I will be presenting for my class, Cyber 468, Internship for Cybersecurity. In this presentation, I will be discussing my internship for the semester, including the things I learned and achieved. My internship this semester was with my employer, Axure Solutions. This is an IT and cybersecurity company based right here in Albany. We're a smaller firm that primarily only covers New York State, but we're aiming to become a regional tech firm in the near future. Being such a close-knit team at Axure makes you feel like such an important pillar of the company, regardless of how important your actual job may seem. We all represent the company with our actions and knowledge, and Axure provides IT and security support for a myriad of firms, which include medical facilities, academic environments, and enterprise environments. Axure has already provided me with so much knowledge and experience. I was more than happy to hear when they offered me an opportunity to accumulate my experiential hours with them. So, what is my day-to-day role at Axure? I am a help desk technician at one of the school districts that Axure provides IT and cybersecurity support for. I provide technical support for staff and students, which there are hundreds throughout 6 different buildings in the district. I'm also responsible for upkeeping and maintaining servers in the district, which are used to contain sensitive data and support our internal network. Another responsibility I have is to respond and prepare for cybersecurity incidents. My team and I are constantly monitoring the network and upgrading our defensive technologies and policies to make our network as secure as possible. Internship experience aside, I learn new things every single day working with Axure, and it's been such a joy being able to do what I love for work. Alright, let's go over my roles within the internship this semester. My supervisors decided to challenge me to spearhead a large-scale audit for the district. This audit stretched over 4 weeks and covered several thousands of different endpoints. The audit had to be surgically planned out and had to be completed within a short time frame. I had to cover every digital endpoint in the district, including PCs, IoT devices, projectors, laptops, iPads, you name it. All these assets needed to be both physically and digitally tagged appropriately. This process was quite difficult, but luckily, most of our devices already had the proper tagging convention. Compliance was another aspect to check, reassuring we were aligned with all relevant cybersecurity policies, laws, and frameworks. Adjusting practices and policies accordingly was the action to take following this part of the internship process. Reconfiguring parts of the group policy was also a factor to consider. Lastly, we had to address legacy technologies by updating what was outdated, removing what was obsolete, and disposing of what was broken. This step reinforced our security and also provides our users with the utmost efficient technology that we can give them access to. So how can this internship experience be tied into cybersecurity? Any operation that involves checking or monitoring security posture is important to all positions within cybersecurity, whether it be field-based or policy-based. Creating and maintaining an efficient and secure network architecture is also a vital skill, and all cybersecurity experts must master this. Of course, asset distribution is important too. Knowing where devices are and who may have access to them is a crucial step when performing analysis on endpoints or just regular security monitoring. Discussing a budget and knowing where to allocate resources effectively with the inventory that we have was key to success. Overall, this experience made me exercise a plethora of the skills that I had accumulated both throughout my work and through my studies in the classroom. What were my takeaways from this experience? How did it develop me as a student and as a cybersecurity professional? This project taught me how to plan and lead a large-scale cybersecurity project, which is a skill I'll be practicing throughout the rest of my life within cybersecurity. Not only did this require leadership skills, but also organizational skills. Although artificially switching roles with my manager felt odd at first, it taught me how to tackle issues with the power of organization and coordination. Then, addressing roadblocks accordingly as they appeared. This segues into communication, which was also crucial. To avoid redundancy between duties of the team, I had to allocate people to certain tasks, myself included, of course. This made me learn how to gauge my team and set reasonable expectations and how to efficiently create a workflow. Lastly, and most importantly, it let me spread my wings by applying the skills and knowledge from both class and work. This internship really gave me a boost of confidence in my abilities, and it was satisfying to be able to apply everything that I've learned into a real-world scenario. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you enjoyed. And remember, stay safe out there in cyberspace.